Waking up early in the morning is the definition of struggle. Welcome to TopThingy.com. Today we're discussing the top 4 ways to streamline your morning routine. Before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe button to get future updates on our latest videos. 1. Make ahead iced coffee. This may be the most incredible thing that has happened to mornings since cereal. These coffee makers are cheap and easy to use. Place the grounds in water into the maker and then place in the fridge. Pour yourself a cup in the morning and replace in the refrigerator for the next day. No heating up water or stale coffee pot taste. Also, it can save you a ton of money by taking away your excuse for stopping at Starbucks for iced coffee. 2. Plan your outfits for the week. Most people will tout that to make your morning routine faster, you need to lay out your clothes the night before, which is a piece of phenomenal advice if you have the time and energy every night to pick out an outfit. However, people with a lot of responsibilities or very active social lives may find that the work outfit for the morning is the last thing on their minds the night before. If this describes you, pick a day each week and organize your clothes. You can select specific outfits for each day of the week or choose a variety that could work for the upcoming week if you still want to have options in the morning. The important thing is to have a look in mind and keep everything that you'll need in one place. 3. Organize your morning essentials. Here's the basic premise of organizing your morning essentials. Things you use should be accessible, and things you don't use should be out of sight. It's easiest to use the bathroom sink as an example, but you can apply these principles to any part of your home that collects clutter. Look at the mess before you start cleaning. There's usually a pile of things that are always strewn about no matter how many times you put them away. Pick these things up and put them to the side. If there are neat rows of beauty products that you always mean to use but never do, get them out of there. Put them safely into a cabinet out of sight, then organize only the things you really use in the available space. Experiment with organizers to find what works best and what doesn't, but always remember to keep your counter clutter minimized. Number 4. Meal prep. Meal prepping is a trend that started in 2017 and seems like it's here to stay. It saves money by preventing you from using "oh no, I forgot" as an excuse to go out to eat for lunch. It can also help you stick to your diet for the exact same reason. The most common meal prep is for lunch when most people are away from their home kitchens. The lunch meal prep is a huge time saver in the morning because it makes packing lunch as easy as grabbing the containers, tossing them into your lunch bag, and dashing out the door. You can also meal prep for breakfast. Some of the best breakfast foods like muffins, pancakes, and breakfast burritos can be made ahead and easily refrigerated to heat and eat all week long. This way, you save time, money, and make sure you don't get hangry. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please use the comments section below and we'll try our best to respond.